Me too. Welcome to our mukbang. Oh my god, lol.
Oh, is it going?
Yeah.
Oh, nice.
Oh my god, everything's melting. This.
Can you move over?
Oh my god, this is so uncomfortable. And I don't get views on this. I won't. If I don't, this is such a waste of time.
I think you should show everyone this mukbang as a concert day.
I know. Go subscribe to my channel, everyone. Oh my god, this is melting really, like... I wonder if this will be good like this. I'm embarrassed.
I'm not.
It's really good like that.
Okay, that's too embarrassing. I'm just gonna save it. Oh, here, some food snaps.
Oh, so nice.
Please support my post on Plano Jane.
Oh, I thought that was someone else.
Since when does she?
Yeah, what did she post?
Oh.
Let me see.
That's so funny.
What? It's like everything is so serious too. It's always just trying to be funny. Go support our friend, Plano Jane. Uh-oh, there's so many pigeons.
Why though?
Yeah, I don't get it.
I don't get it.
Me too.
No joke, I actually don't get it. Are you taking a picture of a toy? Oh my god, I know what this is.
What is it?
It's the train thing. Like today, the 29th of December, and they took this train, they had this thing.
Oh, no way.
Okay, you don't even like my pictures anymore.
Because I comment and you ignore me, so.
You didn't comment on this one, but sure.
Because you would delete it.
Sure, I like your comment.
Oh,
So someone liked your comment though.
oh my.
I like your comment. You can give me 2 likes then.
You didn't even credit me.
I will.
Awesome, man. Oh my god, when you think you're popular.
You move this out of the way. There's a hot dog.
Oh yeah. Kind of cute. Oh, this should be ASMR. Just show your lips. Good job, dude. This you can tell is from the frozen section. It's literally hard. Uh-oh.
Oh, you want to say hi to our friends?
Oh my god. You should put pigeon.
Pas ako rumah aku di susah
Well, they're having mukbang already.
Oh my god, go.
Oh, we should just use these next time.
No, you
That's
know,
not toy.
I brought a mat back.
Did you? Oh, the one that I used?
For what?
Sleeping.
No. No. That's a yoga mat. I'm not gonna bring it to our picnics. But I brought a mat. Oh, I want to spread this. Finish eating this so I can spread this with you. I brought, because Connie and I are planning to go on picnic.
Ooh, am I invited?
Sure.
Oh.
You know my bed sheets?
No.
It comes with the rent. You know how we watch movies from the projector? I have another one that's a little prettier. You know I have 2 bed sheets that's not white.
Yeah.
The blue one. It comes with a like random mat as well, so we can sit on that.
Where a picnic?
Oh, Taimar Park. It's so nice.
Oh, Tima Pop. What?
Taimar Park.
That's. Where's that?
Tintacho.
I'm not done.
I know. I'm wiping it for you. Oh, it's lingonberry sauce. Oh, you should have put lingonberry sauce in this. So, Oh, I want on this side. Mmm. So good. Mmm.
Well, let's stay for 13 more minutes.
Why?
So I want to finish this braid.
I went with Connie last year for summer. And
Oh,
it was like,
isn't
what?
that the government building?
I don't know. It's a park with all the skyline.
I thought I was in Hong Kong Island.
Or Central.
That's Central. It's where the legislative council is.
It's not. It's not there. Oh my fucking god. Ugh.
I have tissue.
Me too, but it's not wet. Do you have wet tissue?
No. The longer you wait.
Oh yeah.
Oh, okay. GG.
Ugh. I have water. Oh fuck. Oh my god, my legs hurt so bad.
Yeah, same.
Mukbang.
Please, mukbang. Oh, someone already played my snap.
Oh fuck. Okay, that's the end.